Hello developers, this is Avinash and you're watching my first ever video on YouTube. So I've decided to start my series on web development where all the new developers and people thinking to start their career on web can follow along with me. So let's get started. So let's first make a folder. We'll be naming it as portfolio because the main motive is to learn how to make your own portfolio. CMD code. So I prefer using Visual Studio. Let me know down in the comments below that what type of text editor do you prefer. So index, okay, be making the first file as index.html. Hit shift exclamation mark and you will get the boilerplate for HTML document. So let's get started. We'll be defining an header under which we'll be defining a nav. Under nav we'll be keeping two divs. First div will be having a text. People preferring to keep an image or logo can keep img. SRC will be the root folder and under which you can keep your images. But for now I'll be preferring to keep a text. I'll be naming it as class name would be brand. The second div will be containing my unordered list and all the list items will be home. Second list item will be work. The third list item will be called skills. And fourth will be contact. Hit save. Let's go to the live server and check out how it's looking. So for right now it's like this. Now in order to add designs to it, first we'll be needing to add a CSS folder, index.css. Before going to CSS folder, we need to link it to the HTML folder. So link, the relation is style sheets, href is the location, so /index.css, type is text/CSS. Hit save. Now go to index.css. The body will be having some default margin and padding, so we'll be removing it by keeping these statements. Margin 0, padding 0. Box sizing will be border box. Now we'll be calling header. Since header is a predefined tag in HTML, so we need not add any dot or hashtags. Okay, so before moving, we'll be keeping the width of the body as 100 viewport width. The width of the header will be 100%. For referencing, we'll be keeping a background color just to see the exact location of the header. Let's shift to the document. This is our header. So now we'll be keeping SingAvi and home, work, skills, contacts in align with each other. So we'll be now calling nav, navigation bar. We'll be keeping display as flex and align items center. Hit save. Let's go back. So it's now in center with each other. Now we need to keep home, work, skills and contact in line with each other. So let's give a name to the UL unordered list as list items. Since it's a class name, we need to add dot list item. Display as flex. The default behavior of the flex is in a format of row. If you need to keep it as column just for a knowledge purpose, we can use flex direction column and it will be like this. But we need not keep it as column, we need to keep it as row. So we'll be keeping it as default. Now the home, work, skill and contact has some bullet points before it. We need to remove those. So another list has a list style type and we'll be keeping it as none, and all these dot elements will be gone. I prefer keeping all my body a center to the page, so I'll be adding it as display flex and justify content as center, and now I'll be giving a specified width to the nav, let's say 60%, and it will be in the center. Now it's not in the center because it's having two divisions with no spacing in between. So the first div is this and the second div is this, the SingAvi. So we need to give a space between each other. So we'll be keeping it as justify content space between. You can use evenly, so I'll be prefer between and hit save. So now it's having a difference between each other. Now we need to give some spacings between home, work, skills and contact. So we'll be accessing all the li elements. So either you can give each li elements a class name and then access it, or there's a shorthand technique. List item, give space and give the child elements tag. So child element tag is li. Li is a predefined tag, so we need not keep any dot and hashtags, and we'll be giving a margin right of 10 pixels. It's safe. Let's go back, and here it is. We have a space between each other. Now we'll be changing the size of the SingAvi divisions. So it's being accessed as brand. So let's keep it under nav, brand, font size as, let's keep 22 pixels, hit save, and it's 22 pixels. Now I'm not liking the fonts, the default fonts, so we'll be going to Google Fonts. So let's see which type of font will be mouse suited. So sort of Monstrat is kind of my favorite one. So let's choose which all type of style you'll be preferring it. So I'll be using regular, I'll be using a medium one and a bold one. Let's go to embed, copy the link, paste it under your head tag and hit save. Copy the CSS rule and paste it on the body. Hit save. Let's see our website, and the fonts are changed. Much uniform and regular. Now I need not have this background color for any references. Save, and this is your responsive nav bar. Now I need to check whether it's responsive or not. Control Shift I. And here it is. Now as we resize it, it goes to the actual positions. So here it is, the nav bar. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.